On the road, state to state, so I gotta work with the ingredients I have, you know. But I'm really the chef for real. But we're gonna work with what I have, and we're gonna survive. I'm gonna show you how to make this chicken back soup, Jamaican style. So now I'm about to clean it up. I like to use lime. A lot of people like to use vinegar. I just feel lime do something different to it. I don't know what it is, but I like to use lime. So let's clean it up. I'm gonna throw a little bit of seasoning on there to give it a little flavor. You know? Okay, just a little flavor, nothing too major. So this all the stuff that's gonna be inside the soup, right? We got a corn, you know, white yam, sweet potato, Irish, carrot, scallion, thyme. I never have it in my last video. Thyme, scotch bonnet, and see ice in there. I got this nice pot from Walmart today. $15, no nice, neat, fit on my one burner just right. So this is what we're gonna make in the soup out. Okay, first thing I wanna do, I'm gonna add your chicken in. Go ahead and do this. Feel me? Boil. I'm gonna add the chicken in, let it do its thing. Now I'm gonna make some dumplings. While I do its thing, I'm gonna make some dumplings. You know? I got a dumpling in there and go on to that thing. You know? Oh. Look at dumpling. And they mix it there. I mean, really look on heat. You know? Come on. Oh. Oh. Nice, but I soup this one. Tomorrow I'm gonna name this one. You feel me? See the beefs. Doing everything now, you know? You feel me? Just make it go and do everything now, you know? Come on, that is it. Take out some garbage. It's nighttime. That's why it's dark inside of the truck, because it's nighttime. You know? When we cook anywhere we at, we cook. So now we're on the last step. See, it's doing this thing. You know, dumplings going, everything cooking up. Now we're gonna season it. That's what we're gonna hit it with. Watch the magic that you see. See the color now? Watch what's about to happen.